Hi guys, we're in my apartment today and we're going to be doing a taste testing. And I got these at the dollar store, so I thought I'd give them a try. They are Oreo CAKESTERS, and this one is peanut butter flavor. Yeah, never had them before, thought I'd give them a try. It says, have your cake and cookie too. Okay, so I guess it's like a cake and cookie. All right. It says soft bake. Okay, let's... Damn. Okay. Get 3 inside. Okay. That's cool. And it says peanut butter flavor cream. Okay, it's the peanut butter one. All right. Really soft. A little peanut butter. Smells like an Oreo. Let's see if we open it. Oh, okay. Smells kind of peanut buttery. I don't know if you were a kid and you used to take the cream, try to take the cream out and just stack them. Yeah, you mostly had just cream cookie. These are pretty good. Oh yeah. Yes. I don't know if you can get them at Walmart, H-E-B, or anything, but at the dollar store for $1.25. And you get 3 of them. Not bad. I suggest you pick yourself up some. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, liking, following, and all that good stuff. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Get yourself some. Bye for now. Yes. Yes. Bye. Love you guys.